Hey guys, a different type of video today. So I was just using, it's a weekend, so I was just using my laptop as usual. It has Linux installed on it and I was just browsing and stuff. And I saw the CPU went from 68 degrees in idle to 90 just using Chrome on YouTube and doing whatever, nothing intensive or stuff like that. To find out that one of the legs or the screws of the cooling system of the laptop just gave in, and I need to fix that in order for it to have enough mounting pressure. This is a Asus GL552 notebook. It's a decent one. It has a 6700 HQ i7 and 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 950 GTX from Nvidia, so it's not such a bad spec laptop. But yeah, now it seems we have overheating issues. So this is what I was talking about. Here we have, for example, the GPU. It has the memories. They each have their thermal pads. Don't mind them. I previously opened this to change the thermal paste a couple of years ago and didn't bother to change the thermal pads. I'm not that concerned anyway. It's not used for gaming so much and I didn't have issues up until today. So yeah, you see these standoffs, these things. Well, screws come into this through the cooling system, the radiator and the heat pipes, and they make pressure to contact with this and cool it. Well, let's go over to the CPU. See something missing? This does not look like this or like the other two, because it was here ripped and basically one corner, this corner, was standing a little bit up. I mean, I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to look when it was mounted, but it didn't look right. So considering this was just standing above, floating and not making contact with the motherboard, I suppose something went wrong from the heat and whatever, so we'll have to fix this. Now, I could actually just screw everything, change thermal paste and then glue this to the hole, but I fear that will not make enough tension, so I'm just gonna try and take this off. The screw is actually, it's a tiny screw like this. The screw is actually stuck there, so I have to take that apart somehow, and then I'm gonna glue the stand to the motherboard using some epoxy stuff thingy named Poxypol, and then screw and install it normally. That should hold. So yeah, let's just get on to it and let's fix this.
A few moments later.
Well, we're about to do something janky, so yeah. I just want to get this up and running until I get something to order from online so I can properly fix this. Well, at least now it won't stay in 68 degrees Celsius while idling. It now has around 58, 65, I mean, yeah, it varies, but it's a 4K video and it's a lot better than it used to be. It was idling around 68 and reaching almost 90 while viewing random YouTube videos, and they were full HD videos because I don't usually watch 4K videos as this screen is a full HD one. So yeah, it won't go up to 60 for too long, even while watching a 4K video. It's been running for a while already. I kept meddling with it and going around. So yeah, and if we're just going to the home page, yeah, it's no longer idling in the 68 range. So it's a temporary fix until I really can do something with that pesky little screw. I'm still looking for solutions. I probably have to order something online. Yeah, so that's about it. At least it's not idling in 68 degrees Celsius and going up to 90 when watching random YouTube videos. So it's temporarily fixed, I guess, but I'll do need to actually find a solution for this. If you enjoy this janky fix, temporary fix, or these kinds of videos, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more videos in this style when I repair something, or just more interactive than random explainer videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.